Hey there, and welcome back to Advanced Radiographic Parameters in Proximal Humeral Fractures. In our last reel, we talked about reduction quality parameters. This reel, we're going to talk about calcar screw positioning parameters. In a paper published by Padigimas et al., the authors proposed two radiographic parameters for optimal calcar screw positioning in proximal humeral fracture fixation, in order to minimize the risks for fixation failure. They proposed a measured distance called calcar distance and a ratio called calcar ratio. A line is drawn perpendicular to the threads of the calcar screw, to the apex of the arch of the calcar, and the distance is measured. It should be below or equal 12 millimeters. It's the ratio of calcar distance to the head diameter. The calcar ratio should be below or equal 25%.